So I was asked what makes this particular program, this case analysis program, different than other seminars that you could go to. And I really would have to put it down into the following. It's the difference between theory and practice. Because you're hearing about an actual case, and you're not just hearing a component of that case, but you're hearing about how the different aspects of everything from motions in limine, through voir dire, through opening, through issue presentation, the difficulties you had, the triumphs that you had, the closing, and what were the things in retrospect that you would see perhaps different. So it's about the practice. And then we stop during it to talk about what was the effect of that. So people not only get to hear a story, they get to understand why.